Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Mazda CX30 SEL. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol engine and the mild hybrid system, as well as the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 47 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 12, and this is a one-owner vehicle having covered just over 16,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is the Soul Red and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As for everything inside, on the Mazda you get the really smart interior. As you can see, the seats are in great condition. There's an armrest in the centre there for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, for example, as well as DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. As we open the rear doors, good access there into the back, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Mazda 2. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there, nice and deep and square, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you have a bit of extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels, and also reversing camera sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.